Today I found an amazing website that pays for playing game. I started playing game and made $1.81 just in 2 to 3 minutes. So I decided to quickly make a video about this website so you guys can get more ways of passive income. So let's start with our video, but before that make sure you have subscribed to Unique Earnings for such legit and easy earning videos. So this is my original account and you can see here I have made $1.81 just by clicking on this horse. More number of lives we have, the more chances we get to play. So go in description and make sign up with Unique Earnings link and refer code to get 50 lives in bonus and every day some free lives. So I have made a new account with Unique Earnings link and you can see I have got 50 lives in bonus. Now we don't have to do anything. We just have to click on this horse until this green line gets disappear. When this line gets disappear, we get gifts from horse. Sometimes we get original cash that we can withdraw. Sometimes we get coins and we can get empty gift also. For one life you can do this task once. Now I will show you making $1 in just few minutes. So I have made $1. You can also similarly earn here. What if you get out of lives? Every day you will get some lives bones for registering with my link. And for extra lives go to offers section and here you can complete various offers and get lives. In every 15 minutes you can claim 1 life here and if you get level up, you will get 1 life in 5 minutes. Here payment method are available in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and many more. Soon you will get PayPal option here. If you don't know how to cash out cryptocurrency in real money, ask in comments. I will solve all of your queries. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Unique Earnings for more earning tricks.